If you're seeking a flexible work-from-home job with no experience required, these 4 legitimate websites offer opportunities to earn $14.20 per hour doing simple voice work, such as reading scripts and repeating words, while helping to train AI models and improve voice recognition software, all from the comfort of your home. 1 RWS AI-related jobs earn $14 to $20 per hour as a data annotator for AI models. RWS is a publicly traded company that offers part-time, remote jobs as a data annotator for AI models. This role involves tasks like recording audio, providing feedback, and captioning speech to help improve AI-powered voice systems like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Pay $14 to $20 per hour. Schedule 4 to 6 hours per day for several weeks. Varies by project. Contract type $1,099. Freelancer. Varies by country. Experience required none. Education requirements none. Language requirements native fluency in the country you're applying from. Equipment needed high-speed internet, personal computer, Windows or Mac. Payment methods PayPal or direct deposit. 2. Tellus Digital Freelance AI jobs. Quick and easy AI voice work. No interview required. Tellus Digital offers freelance AI-related jobs, many of which don't require an interview. One of their common tasks is audio data collection, where you record simple voice commands to help improve AI voice recognition. Task: read and record voice commands, for example, volume up, play music. Time commitment: 15-minute tasks. Pay varies by country. Requirements: fluency in English or applicable language. Samsung phone may vary by country. Must be 18+ years old. Experience required none. Education requirements none. Payment varies by project. 3. Remotasks. Flexible remote jobs, including AI voice work and transcription. Remotasks is a platform that offers a variety of freelance tasks, including voice-related work like audio transcription and speech data annotation. You can choose projects based on your skills and availability. Pay varies by project. Job types: transcribe audio, label speech samples, annotate AI-generated text. Training: free online courses available. Work schedule: flexible. Experience required none. Payment frequency: weekly. 4. Appen. Flexible remote voice jobs. Get paid to record audio, read scripts, and complete AI-related tasks. Appen has been a leader in AI and data collection for years, offering remote voice jobs where you can earn money by recording phrases, reading scripts, or repeating words. Job types: audio, image, and video data collection. Pay varies by project. Experience required none. Education requirements none. Flexibility: work on your own schedule. Enjoyed this content? Support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Your support helps us bring you more opportunities and valuable work from home insights.